activate Visa gift card, how to use Visa gift card. So if you would like to activate your Visa gift card, it's actually quite simple. First, you know that there are different types of Visa gift card and not just one. So you have to simply open your browser and go to usa.visa.com, which is the official website of Visa cards. So go to usa.visa.com, scroll down to the gift card section. So you can see a gift card right here, and here you can see it says check your gift card balance. So just go there. Now it's just for checking the gift card balance, but it is also for activating your gift card. So there are different types of Visa gift card, like vanilla gift card, giftcards.com, gift card mall, Commerce Bank, Navy Federal, and Walmart. So if you want to activate based on which Visa gift card you have, if it's a vanilla gift card, click the vanilla gift card link. It will take you to the vanilla gift card website where you can enter your card info, click on continue and activate it or check the balance. Similarly, you can follow the steps for giftcards.com, gift card mall, Commerce Bank, Navy Federal, and Walmart. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below if you have any issues. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.